Today we're going to be testing the NCV73830V1GEVB, a single-channel flex-array bus driver capable of communicating at speeds of up to 10 megabits per second. The device features excellent EMC and ESD performance. Before we begin testing, it is important to set up the board for default jumper configuration. Make sure pins 2 and 4 are closed on J3 and pins 1 and 2 are closed on J4. Also, close jumper J40. For the first part of the test procedure, we're going to be using a current meter and voltmeter and a 12-volt DC power supply. With the power supply connected, check that the input current is approximately 70 milliamps. Now check the voltage level on VIO with reference to ground. This should be approximately 3.3 volts. Then check VCC. This should be approximately 5 volts. Before we begin the second part of the test procedure, it is important to set up correctly SW12. On the master board, make sure that node 8 is in the low position, whereas nodes 7 through 1 are in the high position. And then on the slave EVB, make sure that node 7 is in the low position, whereas nodes 1 through 6 and node 8 is in the high position. To begin testing, make sure that you have 2 current meters, 2 12-volt DC supplies, an oscilloscope, and 1 probe going to the master board on BP or BM with reference to ground, and the same for the slave board. When the power is applied, look on the oscilloscope for flex-ray data communication. The waveform should look something like this. Also, make sure the input current is approximately 70 milliamps for each board. This completes the test of the NCV73830V1GEVB, a single-channel flex-ray bus driver capable of communicating at speeds of up to 10 megabits per second. For more information, please visit www.onsemi.com or contact an authorized distributor.